So I'm here at the zoo, yes, and behind me, can you see those beauties? Oh my God, they're so adorable. Yes, of course, you know, we're here chilling. We're at the zoo, checking it out. Hope Garden Zoo, the best, of course, in Kingston. Once again, you're jamming with Jamie. Stay tuned for the adventure. See you later, babies.
Look graceful, so that not really much. Alright. Yeah, hi. Yeah. Oh. You guys eat a lot and urinate a lot, it seems. So the American crocodile is trapped in a pond. Oh dear, you frighten me. Is it a turtle next time? I'm thinking of the best thing on 2 foot. It says do not enter. I think I'm gonna look what's in here. Hey you and you. Roland Packer. There's a parrot in there with you guys. You guys have a friend? Oh, I hate you. What you saying? Yeah? Yeah. You are a sight to behold. And you're shedding. Oh. Yeah. Let's see. Hi. Yeah. Them shivering it down. Are you guys making out? Huh? You're on the job. Get back to work. Yeah, what you doing? See your peacock. Got peacock. Oh God! You should be down on the ground, especially when you see me coming. Huh? Down. Go down. That's him. He's quite cute, isn't he? Yeah, look him tricky. And next one here. Look at this little man. Oh, what's that? Oh, 1 minute. Hello. Woo. Oh, yes. I should have. Alright. Nice. Hello, little man. Just a show off, yes. Yeah. You know, famous to the goat, curry goat, brown stew, mutton. Oh my God, my battery is gonna die. I'm not gonna reach home. It looks like I'm not gonna reach home. Oh my God. But I just wanna see you. Word on the street, you got something to show me. Magical, mystical, it's a mystery. I'm intrigued for a being, it's fascinating. Said I don't want them jealous because you're not as cute as you. Alright. And you see him hot? Alright. Look at him watching me. I don't care. Look at them. Look at the baby. Oh my God, look at the turtles. Yeah, let's get into it, yeah.